Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal. I have my holiday Christmas earrings on. My Christmas sweater says let it snow. I have my Christmas tree behind me, which means this is a Christmas video. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a Christmas sensory bin from the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. A few minutes ago you could hear the little jingles because my kids are running around and they are excited for me to make this sensory bin. Let's go make it together. Come on. Oh, did I mention that everything comes from the Dollar Tree? Shocker.
Sensory bins are so easy to make and are so much fun for the kiddos. First, you need a few supplies. For these particular bins, I decided to go with the Christmas theme for the holidays, and the Dollar Tree had everything I needed. I decided to make 2 bins because my girls would need one for each of them. I added 1 bag of white snow pom-poms. I found those just in the craft section. I think they always have them. And then 1 bag of the plain red and green Christmas pom-poms, and then 1 bag of the shimmery red and green Christmas pom-poms. I also added 1 bag of jingle bells, which, spoiler alert, are their favorite part. I also got 1 package of the glittery holiday colored pipe cleaners. These are the ones that feel a little bit like tinsel. And I added each color to each bin, and I tried to make sure they had the same amount. I shaped some of the pipe cleaners so my girls would know that they could make things with them, or shape them, or fold them, or connect them. These would be so easy to pour into a little bag and then add it to your Christmas holiday decorating tote to store it for the next year. I also added a special holiday treat. I got a couple bags of the chocolate Christmas candies, and I actually wrapped 1 for each bin in pipe cleaners, and my girls ended up finding them within the first 5 minutes. I love making sensory bins from the Dollar Tree. These have been so fun, and I actually pull them out almost every day. They're totally worth the cleanup. I added a few measuring cups and bowls. You could also add some tongs or funnels. I use these shoebox bins from the Dollar Tree. A few months ago, I saw a new container at the Dollar Tree. I'll insert the footage. And I think that these would actually be the perfect size for a sensory bin. I'm actually on the lookout for 2 because I haven't seen them since, and I didn't buy any when I first saw them. Make sure you check out my other sensory bin video. I will leave it in the description below.
Thank you so much for watching. Sensory bins are so easy to make and they entertain the kids, which is so fun. And they're festive, they're fun. I hope you make one for this holiday season. And if you like this video and you want to see more sensory bins, give it a thumbs up. I will see you next time. But first, I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved. And I will see you next time on the Lilac House. Bye.